All right, guys, let's try question 7. 89 divided by 6. So we're going to start right with that division step. We're going to break the 10s and 1s into 2 places. Split them in there to make this easier. And our first question is, how many times can 6 go into that 8 for our division step? It goes in there 1 time. Our multiplication step is 1 times 6, which is 6. Our subtraction shows us that we have 2 remainders in the tens place. And then we bring down the 9. Once we bring down, we repeat that whole process again. And you have 29 now. We're going to see if 6 can go into 29. If you need to again, here's a 6 tower. Ooh, too much. So I'm going to stop right here. 6 goes into 29. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. That's my division step. Once I divide, I multiply. I take my division step, I just wrote down the 4, times 6, which is 24. It happens to be the same number. That's the top of my tower, the number that's closest to 29 without going over. And then I subtract and see that I have a remainder of 5. My quotient is 14, remainder 5.